In this video, you'll make changes to different components of the part you just created. The depth of the model will be increased, the curvature of the fillets will be modified, and the face fillets will be recreated. Double-click Boss Extrude 1 in the Feature Manager design tree so that the dimensions of this component appear. To increase the depth of this model, increase the 30mm dimension. To do this, double-click on it, and then change the dimension in the Modify window. Enter 50mm and apply the changes by clicking Rebuild and then the green check mark. To modify the radius of just the edge fillets, you need to remove all the fillets on this face and add them back as a separate fillet feature. This is required because all of the fillets were originally created as a single feature. In the Feature Manager design tree, select Fillet 1 and click Edit Feature. Under Items to Fillet, scroll down and right-click Face 1, and then click Delete. Once the fillets on the face are removed and only the ones on the corner edges remain, change the radius to 10mm and apply the changes. Now the fillets on the front face must be recreated. This must be done before the Shell 1 feature, or else the inner edges will not include the fillets. In the Feature Manager design tree, hover over the blue rollback bar below the Shell 1 feature until the cursor changes to a hand. Then drag the rollback bar above the Shell 1. Now click Fillet, select the front face, change the radius to 5mm, and apply the changes. At this point, move the rollback bar below Shell 1. Now if you look at the rear face, the fillets have been applied there as well. Congratulations! You've just created your first part in SOLIDWORKS. In this section, you created your first part. The first step was to create a sketch, and then to use the Extruded Boss Base tool to make the 2D sketch into a 3D part. Then a hole was created through the center using the Extruded Cut feature, rounded edges were added using the Fillet tool, and finally the Shell feature was used to hollow out the part.